My name is Mike Driscoll, and I'm the Eastern Regional Manager for Contrinex USA. And I wanted to show you today our miniature self-contained photoelectrics. We have three different styles here. The 4 and 5 millimeter tubular, smooth barrel 4 and threaded M5, a quick disconnect M5, as well as a flat mount rectangular unit as well. The real benefits of our units are they're fully potted, the electronics are state-of-the-art as far as accuracy, and they have very, very long sensing ranges, up to 250 millimeters.
Mein Name ist Hassan Kanti und ich bin der geschäftsführende Gesellschafter der Grip GmbH. Ich bin schon seit 1995 bei Grip, habe als Student angefangen im Praktikum.
Mein Name ist Marc Pflug, ich bin CNC-Fräser bei Grip, bin an der neuen Hebelmaschine und fertige da unsere Standardprodukte.
Ich heiße Robin Konig und ich bin hier für die Dreherei zuständig.
Mein Name ist Matthäus. Ich bin in der Qualitätssicherung. Ich sichere die Qualität der Firma Grip für die Produkte, die wir anbieten.
Mein Name ist Saskia Martini und ich bin Sales Assistant.
Ich heiße Ulrike Tripp und ich bin für Personal und Finanzen zuständig bei der Firma Grip.
Ich heiße Sergio Camara und meine Aufgabe ist montieren, eine Standardmontur. Ja.
Ich bin Grip.
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 It is the only interface between humans and machines and thus the only way to communicate quality from the overall system to the user. A good panel is one that gives the user the freedom and capabilities that he needs to implement the application as he wants to. The high level of usability we are all used to from our daily use of smartphones is clearly the benchmark for what we expect to see in industry. Our new unified comfort panels have capacitive glass fronts with multi-touch technology, excellent colors, and a high level of contrast, which make the displays highly readable. And in addition to that, they are extremely powerful. The development teams have, of course, been working on finding out for quite some time now what is the next logical step in the evolution of our panels. But above all, they asked, what is a revolution? And that is exactly what we are now doing by making it possible to install apps alongside our own runtime. Where we are taking an entirely new approach is that we are moving away from pixel-based graphics and toward completely vector-based visualization. This also means that scaling is much easier. The new devices range from 7 inches up to 22 inches with full HD resolution. Since the launch of the TIA portal, usability has been extremely important to us in engineering. In many cases, the user who is sitting there and programming has a specific idea in mind of how he wants to realize something, because he knows that it is the best solution for his users. So, we want to give him the freedom to do just that.
Siemens. Ingenuity for life.
Signals are there to grab our attention. They guide us and show us the right and safe way. Here at WERMA, we make the mark with our signal products, signals that drive people forward. Nowadays, we are not only best known for our tried and tested signal technology, but also for intelligent process system solutions. Our systems have to optimize processes in a sustainable way. We don't just talk about Industry 4.0, we offer solutions which make it happen. From A to Z, from the design process through to the application with the customer, we develop and produce clever solutions that simply work. When we introduced our modular signal tower, CombiSign, we created a worldwide standard. Through trust, respect and fairness, we motivate our staff to achieve the highest standards of quality in every stage of the process. Countless customers from all different industries have confidence in WERMA products today. With international subsidiaries and sales partners, we ensure a professional on-site service, from Retime and then all around the world. WERMA writes history and has been doing so since 1950. In the process, we set the standards for modern signal technology and define its future. We are WERMA, Europe's leading signal.